Hi, I'm Monty Garber with Stroud Water Research Center, and we're going to talk about bird nets and how we use them to protect trees, young tree seedlings that are in shelters like this, and also to protect birds while we're growing trees to support them. So we're here in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania at a beautiful riparian forested buffer, or that's what we call a new streamside forest that we've planted to protect the stream, to protect all the animals that live in the stream, but also to provide habitat for all kinds of wildlife, including songbirds. Everybody loves songbirds. We want to support them through creating habitat. And these streamside forests are very important habitats for birds. But until the tree grows up above this tree shelter, it actually represents a risk. The shelter represents a risk to songbirds that are cavity nesters, that look for places like this to build their nests. That includes bluebirds. So up and until the tree gets up into this area, we've got to keep a bird net on here to keep the birds out. And you can see sometimes bird nets break down either for UV light or they blow off, they tear. We've got to replace this. So I have a new bird net here. I open it up, I pull it over top of the tree shelter. You see this little tassel here? This is how we used to install bird nets, but we ran into so many problems with trees getting caught and mangled by this little tassel here that we had to come up with a different way. So Stroud researched a process called the bird net hole, if you want to call it that, and instead of leaving that tassel, we pull the bird net all the way down to leave like a $50 size hole at the top. That allows the tree to grow out if we don't pull this net off in time, but it also prevents the bird from going down in the shelter and getting into trouble. Once again, if you're planting trees using these shelters, for the first 2 years, you really have to stay on top of your bird nets, because we've got to keep birds out of these shelters to keep them safe while we're creating new trees and shrubs for them to live among. Okay, that's our little talk on bird nets. Have a great day.